made a bit of a breakthrough on the C100 and I've got it running properly. Well, I'm going to do a little bit of an update video, but it's so cold. It's freezing in here. In fact, look at this. Check that. It's snowing. Well, it's been snowing. So it's proper cold. Oh yeah, I've got a ramp as well. It makes things easier than I don't have to work on the floor. Right, I'll tell you how I managed to get it running in a minute, but first I need to sort out this throttle. Right, this throttle tube is really sticky. See, it doesn't move. It doesn't move freely at all. It's got years and years of crap in there, so it's really sticky to the touch as well. So that needs to come out. We're going to grease that up. Get it moving nice and fluently. That's come up all right. And the cable holder, hopefully that will move along the handlebar a bit smoother now. Look at that, loads better. Happy days. Right, so the throttle's sorted. I spent ages adjusting the car because I said I got it running, but then it wouldn't start. So with any luck, hopefully, it will start now. Yes, yes. Right, I'm so chuffed with that. Right, okay, so that's it pretty much running now. Next things are, I need to put an exhaust on it, and what else do we need to do? This front panel here, headlights, brakes, gear shifter, all that kind of stuff, but all that kind of stuff is probably really easy compared to engine work, so hopefully that stuff will not take me very long. I'm going to leave that until the next one. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what, I forgot. I'll tell you why how I managed to get it started. Although I checked the points and I saw that they looked alright, and I'd done the points gap and I got a spark and I got it running on tick over, I couldn't get it any more than tick over. I couldn't get it to rev like that at all, and I just thought it was knackered. So and then one of my mate's dads said, just replace the points anyway, even if they look alright. And I replaced the points, and what do you know, it's all working. Happy days. Right, like I say, all that other stuff is going to be in the next video, so hit the subscribe button if you want to see that, and see you in the next one.